Hello guys, so let's wait for people to join in. We need to talk about this phone. Battery temperature too high, so let's wait for people to join in. But if people don't join in, then they can watch the video later. It's gonna be a very quick one because the customer wants to take this phone as quick as possible. Okay, so you see what is writing: battery temperature too low or too high, phone will shut down, phone will soon shut down. So that's the problem we are going to be repairing right now. Okay, so there are a lot of ways to repair this problem. All right guys, there are a lot of ways to repair this problem. Okay, if I do like this, you guys can see, right? So this phone will soon write that temperature too high or temperature too low. Sorry for the noise. I just quickly want to share this with you live because it's been a long time I uploaded my videos. So I'm thinking I should just, I love your microphone. Did you get it? Your microscope. Oh, did you get it in the country online? I got it online. You see that battery temperature? You see that pop up right now? Battery temperature too low or battery temperature too high. So if your phone is having such problem, we are going to fix that problem right now. Okay. So Izam Farm, welcome to the live. Thank you for joining. You love my microscope. Okay, I got it online, but you can also get it in the country, in Nigeria. Here you can get it. So if you want to get it, where are you watching from? Let me know where you're watching from first, then I can tell you if it's possible to get it here in Nigeria or not, because you can get it here in Nigeria. Yes, I have a contact of someone that sells it. So I mean, this phone, we are going to be examining the phone problem. If you are coming, please make sure you like the video. Please make sure you like the video. It's important for you to like the video. All right, so make sure you like the video. So this live is not going to take long, so if you are watching now, it's going to be of great help to you. Okay, all right, battery temperature too high or battery temperature too low. All right, so what causes it? There is something we call thermal temperature sensor on phones. So it detects if the phone is too high. Sadiki from Tanzania, I want to know how to solve charging complete on Itel keypad. Okay, no worry, no problem. We'll address that now. Sensor on these phones and also on Android phones, okay, that sense if the temperature is too high, the temperature of the environment is too high, or the temperature of the environment is too low. So you see that again popping up again. So that's the problem we are going to be talking about in this live. Okay, so so this sensor sometimes, so I need to give this preamble, okay, or introduction, so that you guys will know the causes of these pop-ups. Okay, so so like I said, depends on the temperature of the environment or temperature of the environment where the phone is. So there is a sensor, okay, that detects it. And that temperature sensor is called negative temperature coefficient, NTC. All right. So that's the sensor that is put in the phone that will make it to tell you that the temperature is too high or is too low. But some the environment is not too high, but that thing will still pop up and say temperature is too high or temperature is too low. You see that? So that is popping out again. So this pop out every 2 minutes or 1 minute and few seconds. This pop up every 2 minutes or 1 minute to few seconds. So guys, make sure you like this video right now. Like it, like. Okay, so yes, thank you for liking. So now, how do we solve this problem? All right, sometimes, or should I let the cat out of the bag? Okay, first let me show you how to fix this one, then I will tell you multiple ways to fix this problem. Battery temperature too high or battery temperature too low. So now first thing we need to do is, all right, the phone is still on. You see that the phone is still on. The phone is still on and is working properly, but the only issue is that it pops out that battery temperature too high or battery temperature too low. So now the first thing you need to do is you open the back cover and you check the battery. Sometimes the battery causes this problem. All right, the name of this brand is what? Is Itel. The name of the brand is Itel. Okay, but the name of the battery is what? Is Tino. I even thought it was Techno. You see, the brand is what? Is Tino. So most of the times these brands, the way they okay, so the name of this brand is what? Is Tino. Okay. I want to hurry up so that I can end this live. Okay, so it's Tino, and the brand of this phone is what? Itel. So sometimes the battery can cause this. Now let's put a new battery and see if it's going to work or if it's not going to work. So this is original Itel battery. This original Itel battery. Okay, this original Itel battery, as you can see. Okay, and this is Tino. This is Itel. All right, now I'm going to insert this battery and we are going to check if that problem is going to happen again. So as a technician, you don't need to rush to do other things. You need to take it one step at a time. Okay, you take it one step at a time. Don't rush to start opening the phone and blowing and removing components and doing jumper. No. Chill and calm down. You take it from the basics. Okay, so what do? Let's put the original battery of Itel and let's see if it does the same thing. If it does the same thing in less than 2 minutes, we'll give it 3 minutes. If it does the same thing, I'm going to show you the next thing to do. Okay, guys, so if you are coming in, tell me where you are watching from and make sure you drop a like on this video. It's very important. All right, I'm going to put this battery now and we are going to observe together if it's going to pop up again or it's not going to pop up. Okay, so now let me insert the battery, put the cover, okay, and press the power key. So the phone is on. Watching from America, thank you so much for watching from America. Thank you so much, I really appreciate. All right, I've inserted a new battery. Remember the previous battery was this battery. Okay, battery temperature too high, battery temperature too low. That's what we are observing. That's what we are trying to fix, guys, if you are just joining us. So I suggested to tell you this solution online, I mean live, so that you guys can also learn from it. So don't forget to drop a like if you are still watching this video and you want to see this problem solved. Drop a like right now. All right, it's been a few seconds that we insert this battery, so we are going to observe. We are going to observe if that temperature is too low or temperature is too high. Is going to pop out on this Itel. Okay, so let's watch and see. So as I was saying, there are a lot of methods to repair this one problem. You see, guys, there is no one straight way to repair a problem on cell phone. I'm telling you, we have different techniques. It depends on where the problem is coming from, guys. So once you watch a solution online, don't just believe that's the only solution that will solve that problem. So it is important that you know how to troubleshoot phone problems. It is very important that you know how to troubleshoot phone problems so that you can solve the problem. So if you watch someone do a jumper online, don't put it in your head that that's the only jumper that will work for that phone. Always learn to troubleshoot yourself. Temperature too high, temperature too low on this phone. That's what we are looking at, and we are looking for ways to fix this particular problem. So guys, we have 20 people watching my live, but we have only 2 people that like. You are trying. Thank you, George. Thank you so much. So remember, this was the battery we removed from this phone. So if you are just joining now, you can just rewind. You can rewind back and watch from the beginning so that you can know what we are talking about. Okay, so this is the battery we removed from this keypad phone, this Itel phone, and we can see I've been speaking over 1 minute and few seconds, and the phone is not popping out battery temperature too high or battery temperature too low. Could that mean the problem is solved, or should we just wait few more minutes to see if it's gonna pop up? You can see, guys, we only have 3 likes. Please hit that like button. Hit that like button. If you have gained something from my channel, from my videos, or you are gaining from what I'm talking about now, please make sure you hit that like button right now. I'm not that busy, but I'm trying to make a video for you guys despite the noise around here. So guys, all right, it's been over 2 minutes now. I've been speaking, and the battery temperature, the battery in my phone has seen better days. I think I used it when it was too cold. Yes, if you watch this video in the beginning, like people from America doubting, Lani, you say you're watching from America. I already explained why that problem is popping out. Okay, sometimes the environment the customer or the person that is using the phone is determines if the phone is going to pop out battery temperature too high or battery temperature too low. There is a sensor in the phone. There is a resistor. Is a resistor. Okay, it is called NTC, negative temperature coefficient. We have 2 types of resistor. We have PTC and NTC. PTC is positive temperature coefficient, and NTC is negative temperature coefficient. So the ones you will always see on mobile phones is negative temperature coefficient. Okay, NTC. So it's the name of that sensor, is a resistor on the mobile phones. You can also find it on Android phones like this as well. For example, if this phone is, if the temperature around is too high, it's going to tell me, my friend, the temperature of the phone is getting high. You understand? The phone will shut down, or go to a balanced temperature environment. It can say that, okay? But we are talking about this keypad phone at the moment. Okay, so David Gaming says, I am from Nigeria. Welcome to the live. Thank you so much. Okay, yeah, that's what we are talking about. George says, what usually causes that problem? Because I used to think that the battery is fake or inferior. Yes, that's what we are talking about now. All right, the battery I removed from this phone is this. It's called Tino. It's called Tino. So, but the battery I put inside right now is the original Itel battery. So sometimes you see the phone has never written temperature too high or temperature too low, because I have inserted the original brand battery. The brand is what? Is Itel, and the brand, and this battery is what? Is Itel. Do you understand? So this problem is solved now. I will conclude that this problem is solved because the owner of this phone, the client, my client, was using this battery, Tino. And sometimes also, guys, sometimes the cause of this problem is the middle terminal of this battery. You see, we have the positive terminal, we have the negative, and the middle one, you call sometimes, so they call it BSI or something like that, BSI. Okay, so on the phone, this is NTC. On the phone, the middle terminal of the battery is NTC. Okay, it's NTC terminal. It's connected with that that resistor I told you about. Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. Now this problem is solved now because I replaced. Okay, good work. I'm Godwin from Zimbabwe. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching from Zimbabwe. So now this problem is solved now because I put the original battery. So guys, my point is, as a technician or as a phone user, don't quickly go and say, please help me As a phone user, don't say, let me just quickly, let me blow it, let me service the phone, let me put chemical, let me brush it, it will be fine. No, guys. Always learn to take the troubleshooting from, hey, who is this guy? Guys, I'm gonna end this live very soon. So now, yes. Thank you so much for that comment. Can't be charged below 40 degree Fahrenheit. That's why they have built-in warning. Thank you so much. Yes, so guys, this phone is solved. The problem is solved. All I did was replace the battery with the original battery. So guys, it is very important. And sometimes you see all this BL5C model, also sometimes it counts. You understand? On some batteries you will see, I don't know if I can zoom this thing. Oh my god, I can't zoom this thing. Okay, it's fine, no problem. But you see some batteries, they write BLC something. Those also matter. This is another Itel battery. So this one they write BL38CI. Okay, BL38CI. Okay, so this one they wrote BL5C. Do you understand? If you are a technician from the old times, you remember Nokia phones. Sometimes if you put a particular Nokia battery on another Nokia phone, it will not work because of this model. So if it's not the same model, then it's not going to work. It can write temperature too high, some temperature too low. Sometimes it might not charge. If you put the charger, it will not charge. So guys, that's about that. I hope you guys have learned from this video. So if you have question now, you can ask your question. So this phone now is solved. The problem is solved because I replaced the battery. Thank you so much for watching. So now let me attend to the questions. Let me try and scroll down to see the questions that have been asked. Especially when I started the live, somebody asked a question. He says, okay, Sadiki from Tanzania said, I want to know how to solve charging complete on Itel keypad. So just troubleshoot and replace the charging. Most of the times it's the charging IC, but it's very important to check the resistor. Do you understand? Around that charging IC, the resistor or the capacitor. Check for shorts and check if the resistor is giving that reading, that inscription on that resistor. So check it. I'm watching from Nigeria. I'm also an upcoming phone technician, although as hobby for now I have not gone commercial yet. Very interesting. This line of business is very good for you if you're in Nigeria. Yes, if you're in Nigeria. Doubting Lanin from America, thank you so much for watching. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button. We only have three likes. Why? Guys, why do we have 3 likes? We have 23 people watching. Is it that expensive to hit that like button? It's not expensive, guys. Come on now. You are bigger than that, guys. So Richard says, Ghana. Richard from Ghana, you are doing great. Thank you so much. I'm checking questions now. David Gaming from Nigeria, thank you so much. Hey, what's going on? Hey, blood of Jesus. I'm pressing something else on my phone. Sorry, guys. Jojo said, what usually causes that problem? Because I used to think that the battery is fake or inferior. Yes, sometimes the battery is fake or inferior. It writes temperature too high. And sometimes, before I forget, another way to solve that battery temperature too high or too low, guys. Another method. You see, we have the positive line, the VBAT. We have the positive VBAT, okay, and we have the negative. We have the negative. We have the positive here, okay. We have the BSI or the NTC in the middle, we have the negative here. Okay, so now if you change this battery and it does not work, go and get a diode. You can get, is it rectifier diode or Zener diode? I've forgotten. Or the perfect way to fix that problem, just go and get a resistor. Okay, you can get 7k resistor, 10k resistor, you understand, higher resistance values. Then you connect that resistor, one terminal of that resistor on the middle terminal and the other terminal of that resistor on the negative terminal of the VBAT. Your problem will be solved. Honestly, I was thinking of doing that on this phone, but when I replaced the battery, the problem was solved. So that's why I couldn't make that video. But if I get another device and it has the same problem and I replace the battery and it's not working, I'm going to make a video on that. I promise that I'm going to make a video if the customer is not in a hurry. Because sometimes if the customer is in a hurry, I don't make videos. Do you understand, guys? But if the customer is patient, then I can make video. Do you understand? So thank you so much for understanding that. How do we know the original battery? Because Nokia Techno it is as show me Pepe. Okay. You know the original battery, number one, from the price. From the price, you know it from the price. So even if you are looking for original battery for around 2,000 naira, or you are looking for original battery for 3,000 naira, my brother, they will give you fake. They might give you fake. But from the price, if you hear original battery for this type of phone for 5,000, that means it's original. From that, that's one of the ways. Then number two, the texture, holding it. You feel me? When you feel the battery, when you feel it, you know that it's original. Guys, you can also comment ways in which you can know the original battery, as from my experience. And another way is when you use it. Some people, they will tell you the battery is 7,000, is 8,000, is original, blah 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 blah, and you feel it is. But until when you use it, that's when you will know it's original. I have with me here Techno 350 charging error. Then I change the charging IC. It show me same thing, sir. Alright, my question to you is that how did you get the charging IC? My question to you, how did you get the charging IC? Because if you get the charging IC from a donor board, you don't know if that donor board is also having the same issue before you remove it, or before it becomes a donor board. You don't know if that charging IC you removed is also having charging error before it became donor board. Number one. Number two, did you order your IC from someone or online? If you order your IC from online, it's 50-50 chances. Unless you order from a reasonable retailer or a reasonable seller. Am I shouting, guys? Okay. I already teach you the method. Peter from Kenya, thank you. Guys, hit that like button. Hit that like button. It's very cheap to hit the like button. You are watching but you are not liking the video. Why? Trying a different charging cable is good first step. Yes. You are right. Allow Peter, thank you for watching. I have Intel battery not in the phone, but it's swollen now. Why? I have Intel battery. What is that? Do you mean Itel battery? If it's swollen, get another battery. Swollen battery should be replaced as soon as possible. Yes. Just get another battery. Thank you guys. Take the old battery out and look at the fine text on the battery and try and find one from same brand. Exactly what I was talking about. Okay. Exactly what I was. A lot of things can cause them. So guys, my point in this video is that don't complicate issue. When the phone has a problem, don't start thinking of big solution. Start from small solution. Then I remove the charging IC from Techno phone also, and it's working phone safe. All right, if you remove that charging IC from a Techno phone, use it on the same Techno phone, number one. Then if you remove that charging IC from a different phone, a different phone. Did you check? You know, charging IC is not, guys, I want you to note something. On these keypad phones, charging IC is not the only component that allows the phone to charge. I don't know if I have a... Oh, okay, this phone now. Okay, I think it's an Itel phone 2160. So on the charging circuit, guys, it's not only the charging IC. My brother, are you still watching? It's not, allow Peter, I hope you are still watching. It's not only the charging IC that is involved. It's not only the charging IC that is involved. We have the charging IC. We have some resistors close to that charging IC. And we have capacitors. We have capacitor. We have resistor. We have a kind of sensor here. Is it? Oh my God! I made a video on my YouTube channel. I made a video. Okay, guys, if you can go and watch that video. There is another resistor. Okay, there is another resistor that has a resistance value on it. Do you understand? So it's not only about the charging IC. The charging IC communicates with all these components around it. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now there is a resistor up here. That one, do you know the function of that resistor? The resistor is the one that communicates with the CPU and tells you that the phone is charging or the phone is not charging. Do you get what I'm saying? It's that resistor that will communicate with the CPU, that when you insert the charger, it will tell the CPU that the phone is charged. Charger has been inserted into this phone. Now tell the guy that is the owner of this phone that charging or charger removed. There is a resistor that is responsible for that. So when we're talking about charging circuit, it's not only about the charging IC. So if you replace the charging IC and it's not working, those capacitors around you, replace them too, and it should be fine. If it's not fine, that means the processor is having a problem, bro. Am I talking, guys? Am I talking? Yeah. It's not giving me good. You see what I'm talking about? Bruh, it's not hard to repair this problem. Charging error, what? It's not hard. Very easy, guys. I have 2 more minutes. So if you have a question, please drop it. 2 more minutes, less than 2 minutes. So I'm gonna be ending the live now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Those that are watching, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Any other question regarding this charging issue on this iPad, on this keypad phone, please drop it. If not, I'm gonna end the live now. I'm gonna appreciate everyone for watching. I saw something here on my live. Let me see. Retouch on. Oh, something can retouch my video. Okay. I hope it's not affecting me. Oh, wait. Retouch off. Hey, let me switch it off. I have a lot of options here, guys. I'm waiting for your question. What is this thing? Green screen. No. I don't want green screen. Sorry. Thank you. I don't want green screen. I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So, yeah. So that's that about this Itel 2163N for record purpose. 2163N. All right. Hey, this guy put green screen on my screen. Oh, I don't want green screen. No. I don't want green screen. Hey. Oh my God, have mercy. Hey, I don't want green screen. Thank you. All right, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'm gonna make more videos, and I'm also going to make videos about this phone. I'm gonna drop a video, okay, for those that didn't watch live. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I subscribe, so I should be around the next time. Bye. Thank you so much, Dancing from America. Thank you so much. All right, guys. See you in my next live. Peace out.